Morning, girls.
Jose.
If you used to do 3 1 mile.
Beverly Weber.
Yeah, 100%.
Have a go.
Taking care.
Referee!
That's you.
No!
No, look, you could give that to Tomo. Jackie Eddie as well.
Yes, Stowley! I'll go!
Yeah, nice Tony.
Mate!
Oh, I love that.
Oh, it's drop ball!
Jack. Punch back, drop. Ready, Fren? Little cross, Fren. Yeah, nice. Roll. That's it, nice. Drop. Nice punch back.
Bravo. Thank you.
Good step. Nice, Tomo. Yeah, love it. Ah, safe run. Nice goals, well done. Spin a halfway, back off, but you know where everything is. Yeah, perfect. Oh, yes. Great touch, Jack. Easy back, then. Yeah, nice fun. I'm going to get a goal as well. What a save, Fren.
More numbers, better, isn't it? The more numbers, the more actions you can do with it.
Yeah. Every goal in the middle, £2.50 at the kitty. £2.50 a goal. Nice. Save. Right, Fren.
Keep it.
Nice.
Oh, what a punch that is!
Killing you. I wanted beer money for the weekend now.
2 points.
I've only got a bottle and half of bread.
I'd like to know where you shop and get a bottle and a half on £3.50, I tell you.
No, I want a tenner. I want a tenner.
We didn't have that opportunity.
Yeah, but you had an opportunity to save them. He didn't have an opportunity to save them.
Yeah, but you didn't get anything for saving them.
Yeah, you got for scoring, but you can save it. Just save it. It's not hard, is it?
It's not hard. You're right, you're right.
Well, one on each. One on you, Debbie. One on you. One on you.
Well done. Well done. Good.
Cheers.
Good.
Cheers.
Money out. No. Good.
Thanks.
Cheers, Pat.
Ladies.
I'd love to help you find the ball, but we've...
Even though you like things on.
a cup of tea. We got to get it.